Yeah, I left it at there. I left it at that.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I played with Marcus in the 74. Nah, we played just alike. I could have had more kills now, but I was even getting. I ain't got no foot draw. I just got that bitch last game. I mean, no, this game.
Yeah.